once the menu's been set up or synced up with the POS, so it's the Weight Busters menu's been synced up with the POS, which you can do here. So once we've done the install, the next thing to do is to synchronize to make sure that we're grabbing the menu. So to actually synchronize, just go to Restaurant Settings, which is here. You click Synchronize Now, and you click it. You'll get a confirmation. And then the next place you go is to your menus. So we're going to start here. We're going to go to Menus. Perfect. Okay. So this is what's been brought in from the POS. These up here are categories, subcategories, and items. What we're going to discuss in this video is category management. So as you can see, these are the categories that are pulled in. You can move them around. So if I want to move food to the top, here we go. And this is what people will see. What's nice is you can immediately see exactly how this will be impacted on the customer-facing menu. So I go to the test page, and here's the menu. Okay, so back to menus, online ordering, menus, categories. So you just move the category up top. You see if you can move it here, you can move it there. Let's move it down, and then this will obviously show up to the consumers. So you may now food's fourth, and it was first before. Okay, move food back one. All right, so with a category, not only can move them, you can edit one, and you can delete it. If you delete it, then we'll have to go to our database to bring it back. So just be fully aware of that. There's another thing you can do. You can hide instead. So let's go to Edit a Category. So titles, food. You can put a title in here. You can add a photo if you want to have a category photo. You then edit it, and you can say, all right, this category does not or does have subcategories. In this case, because it does, you would not click it on. But if you did, then there would be a category that does not have subcategories. And then visible. This makes sure that the user can see this category. And as I mentioned, you can delete it, but what we do or recommend instead is, you know what, just hide it in case you ever want it back. It's very simple to do. And one last thing about categories is availability time. You have the ability to have this category hidden from users except for certain times that you put here. A great example of a use case of this would be if you offer brunches on Saturdays and Sundays, but not during the rest of the week. So if you have a brunch category, you would just pick, okay, I just want them to show on Saturday, I just want them to show on Sunday, and then here's the the times that you would put for it. So this is really nice and handy if you don't want certain categories to be shown to people. Another use case is if you have a specials category for like Wednesdays, you can make it so that it only displays on Wednesdays and you don't have to recreate it. Okay? So let me get rid of this. Last but not least, I'm going to save. And that's pretty much all about editing categories. To create a new one is very easy. You just click the plus button, add the category, title, and everything that we've mentioned before. And that's pretty much what you need to know about categories.